Explaining each of the tarot cards in a single response might be pretty extended, as there are 78 cards in an extensive tarot deck. So, this content offers you an outline of the tarot cards and their symbolism, grouped through the major arcana and the four suits of the minor arcana. The major arcana includes 22 cards, each with considerable symbolism and representing powerful archetypes and existence instructions. These cards depict key moments in our adventure of self-discovery and personal progress. The Fool signifies new beginnings, innocence, and embracing being's adventures with an open heart. The Magician is a leader of manifestation, representing our capacity to vent our potential and create opportunities. She embodies instinct, secrets, and hidden knowledge, inviting us to believe our inner knowledge. A representation of abundance and nurturing, the Empress represents creativity, fertility, and the beauty of nature. The Emperor embodies authority and leadership, encouraging us to take choices of our lives. This card symbolizes subculture, awareness, and looking for guidance from spiritual or smart mentors. The Enthusiasts represent love, alternatives, and partnerships, urging us to make selections from the heart. The Chariot is about courage and determination, urging us to stay intensive and take charge of our destinies. This card embodies internal strength, courage, and getting to know our internal demons. The Hermit indicates introspection and solitude, encouraging us to seeking out insight and guidance. The Wheel of Fortune represents cycles of life, future, and the ever-converting nature of existence. This card symbolizes stability, fairness, and taking charge of our activities. The Hanged Man teaches surrender, sacrifice, and new perspective of life. Unlike its name, Death represents transformation, rebirth, and letting go of the past to embody the present. This card embodies synchronization, balance, and finding diplomacy in life. The Devil represents temptation and bondage, urging us to confront our fears and restricting ideals. The Tower signifies surprising change and upheaval, leading through new perspectives. The Star is about hope, idea, and renewal, guiding us closer to our dreams and aspirations. This card represents instinct, emotions, and the mysteries of the subconscious thoughts. The Sun signifies fulfillment, positivity, and energy, bringing light and pleasure to our lives. This card embodies self-reflection, awakening, and deep insights. The World denotes completion, fulfillment, and experience of wholeness and achievement. The Minor Arcana is one of the two main components of a standard tarot deck, with the other being the Major Arcana. The Minor Arcana delves into the everyday aspects of life, emotions, challenges, and experiences. It consists of 56 cards, divided into 4 suits, each with its own symbolism and associations. Wands. The Wand suit is associated with the element of fire, which represents energy, passion, inspiration, and action. Cards in this suit often relate to creativity, projects, ambition, and personal growth. They can indicate endeavors that require enthusiasm, determination, and a pioneering spirit. The Van suit reflects the journey of personal development and the pursuit of goals. Cups. Cups correspond to the element of water, symbolizing emotions, intuition, and relationships. Cards in this suit revolve around matters of the heart, including love, feelings, connections, and the realm of emotions. They can provide insights into how we connect with others on an emotional level and how our emotions impact our experiences. The Cup suit delves into matters of empathy, compassion, and inner understanding. Swords. Swords are linked to the element of air, representing intellect, communication, challenges, and decision-making. This suit often deals with the mind, thoughts, and communication. Cards in the Swords suit can indicate conflicts, mental struggles, and the need for clear thinking and honest communication. They highlight the importance of addressing challenges and making rational decisions based on careful analysis. Pentacles. Pentacles symbolize the element of earth, embodying the material world, finances, and practicality. This suit is concerned with matters related to wealth, career, resources, and the physical realm. Cards in the Pentacles suit can provide insights into financial stability, material pursuits, and the importance of taking a grounded and realistic approach to life. They highlight the balance between material needs and spiritual growth. Each suit consists of cards numbered from Ace to 10, along with 4 court cards: Page, Knight, Queen, and King. The court cards often represent different personality traits or individuals in our lives, and they can also symbolize stages of growth and development. For instance, the Page might signify curiosity and new beginnings, the Knight could represent action and change, the Queen often embodies maturity and nurturing, and the King signifies authority and leadership. When interpreting tarot readings, the combination of the suit's attributes, the card's number, and its position in a spread contributes to the overall meaning and message. The minor arcana cards provide insights into various aspects of our lives, offering guidance, reflection, and understanding of the challenges and opportunities we encounter on our journeys. In summary, the tarot deck is full of images and surprises. Every card tells a unique story, guiding us through the wonderful adventures of our lives and empowering us. Tarot is a device for self-discovery and personal growth, inviting us to discover the depths of our psyche and intuition. So, at the end, do not forget tarot analysis is like an exciting journey that enables us find out our real selves and discover our way in existence. It isn't about predicting the destiny, it is more about connecting to our inner self. It is to know how we can find a better vision of ourselves. Tarot cards provide us knowledge, desire, and thinking. It's like a key to self-awareness and power. Keep your tarot journey interesting and exciting. Bring mysteries and magic into your life, and allow the tarot to guide you on this magnificent path of self-discovery and power. Go to astrosawal.com or download our app from App Store or Google Play Store to uncover the hidden mysteries of your life.